Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will explain about the explanation the text entitled photosynthesis. So the first is communicative purpose of this text is to communicative purpose of an explanation text is to explain why something happened. This text explains the process of photosynthesis and how plants produce food using sunlight. Okay, for the generic structure, the first one is general statement. The general statement is admires the intricate dance of nature until for plant life. This part introduces the topic of photosynthesis in general. Okay, the second part is sequenced explanation. The sequenced explanation is chlorophyll, the green pigment, until into our atmosphere. This part explains the process of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll absorbs sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water are converted into glucose, and oxygen is released. For the third is about closing. The closing is in contemplating this botanical marvel until life's sustenance. This part concludes the importance of photosynthesis for life on Earth. Okay, the next material is about explanation of the mind map. From the mind map, we can see that the main topic is photosynthesis. The first branch is general statement, which introduce photosynthesis is a process that transforms sunlight into energy. The second branch is sequences explanation, which explain the step of photosynthesis, including the role of chlorophyll, glucose production, and oxygen release. The last branch is closing, which explains that photosynthesis is very important because it sustains life on Earth. Okay, I think that's all about the explanation text. The next is about a descriptive text entitled Kutabits Bali. For the communicative purpose, the communicative purpose of a descriptive text is to describe a particular person, place, animal, or thing in detail. This text describes Kuta Beach and its characteristic. For the generic structure, the first one is about identification. The identification is Kuta Beach, Bali. This part introduces the place being described. Okay, the second part of generic structure is about description. The description is located on Belize southwestern coast until millions of visitors annually. This part explains the characteristic of Kuta Beach, such as its location, golden sands, surfing waves, warm temperature, and also popularity among tourists. For the explanation of the mind map, from the mind map, the main topic is Kuta Beach, Bali. The first branch is identification, which introduces Kuta Beach as the object being described. The second branch is description, which explains the features of Kuta Beach, including the long golden beach, famous surfing waves, warm weather, and its popularity as a tourist destination. The mind map helps us understand the important information clearly and simply. Okay, I think that's all about the descriptive text. I will continue. The material is about a news item, text, entitled Coral Bleaching Crisis Strikes Great Barrier Reef. For the communicative purpose, the communicative purpose of a news item text is to inform readers or listener about important or newsworthy event. This text inform readers about the coral bleaching crisis in the Great Barrier Reef. The next is about generic structure of news item. The first is about newsworthy event. The newsworthy event is a coral bleaching crisis is unfolding until marine ecosystem. This part tells the main event being reported. And the second part is about background events. The background events are the spike in sea temperature until the unfolding crisis. This part explains the causes of coral bleaching, climate change, the impact on marine life, and last is and conservation effort. And the last part is about sources. The sources is marine biologist Sarah Turner emphasized until this invaluable natural wonder. This part contains expert statement related to the event. Okay, the next is explanation of the mind map. From the mind map, the main topic is coral bleaching crisis. The first branch is newsworthy event, which explain the coral bleaching problem in the Great Barrier Reef. And the second branch is background events, which explain the causes and impact such as rising sea temperature and damage to marine ecosystem. The third branch is sources, which contain information and opinion from Sarah Turner as the expert source. The mind map makes the new structure easier to understand. I think that's all from my explanation. It's about the genre text, such as explanation text, descriptive text, and also news items text. That's all. Thank you for your attention and listening. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.